Hello everyone, welcome back to the Grandiose Home Interiors. I'm Asfiya Imran, your interior designer. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more updates. I'm here today to take you through this lovely 2 BHK at Oceanus Greendale. Join me as we explore the unique features and distinctive touches that makes this house a delightful place to live. The essential storage in foyer area is the shoe rack, a compact area designed for storing footwear, and there is a comfortable seat where you can sit and wear your shoes. Step into the living area and your eyes are immediately drawn to the striking bevel mirror on this wall. Across from it is an inviting L-shaped sofa. This combination of elegance and coziness sets the tone for a stylish and comfortable space. Here's a design tip for you. If you want to create an illusion of more space, consider adding mirrors because they have the ability to visually expand and make the room look larger. The centerpiece of this living area is the TV unit with the wooden panel featuring a marble finish laminate. A functional open shelf box adds a touch of modernity, while a distinctive stone finish at the back adds texture and elegance. Moving forward, we have the stunning breakfast counter featuring quads on the countertop and the wooden panel at the bottom. Open shelves are provided for displaying the artifacts and the hanging lights are added to complete the look. Next to this setup is the wash basin by an asymmetrical mirror and the strip light behind it. This U-shaped modular kitchen features a combination of polar brown and white high gloss acrylic. We have given quads for the countertop and marble finish backsplash. We have given the Gola profile handle to make this kitchen look more seamless. The most important room in every home is the master bedroom, which features a prominent dressing unit. It includes full-length mirror with the wooden panel at the back along with a convenient drawer for storage, which adds both functionality and aesthetic appeal to the space. Adjacent to the dressing unit is the floor-to-ceiling lacquer glass sliding door wardrobe, imparting a regal touch to the space. The unique pattern chosen for the wardrobe not only adds the touch of glass but also cleverly reflects the space, creating the uniqueness and expansiveness of the room. Here we have given the queen-size bed with hydraulic storage and wall-mounted bedside tables. Here the wainscoting gives a finishing touch, completing the overall look and ambience of the master bedroom. me take you through this room. There is another floor-to-ceiling lacquer glass sliding door wardrobe, offering ample storage for clothing and ensuring spacious environment. Let me show you the internal part of this wardrobe. Inner part of a wardrobe are fully customizable, and you can see here we have given two hanging compartments, one for the short dresses and the other one is for your long dresses, and these sliding doors are soft closure on both the sides. Additionally, a dressing unit with a round mirror and plenty storage options. A beautiful wall panel adorned with the wall lamp adds an extra layer of charm which creates inviting and warm space.
Hi, my name is Suman Das. This is my wife Aditi, my sister Payal, and my mother. And this is my small kid, Rudransh. So I came to know about the company, the Grandiose, from my friend Rohit and Naveen. They have done a wonderful job in their house. So I got the reference from them, and based on their recommendation, I went ahead with the Grandiose.
We were looking for a modern style, white-based, minimalistic style house, and I think Grandiose helped us to provide that.
This is actually a resale apartment. Earlier when we came here, I actually liked this layout because this has got a good space in the house. Two balconies, two big rooms, one entire hall that is with the living room and the dining, big kitchen. I contacted Noor from the Grandiose. He took the photo, he took the floor plans, that is also in 2D, and he made a 3D modeling of the entire house, and based on our input he made a fantabulous job, and each and every requirement he actually designed in that 3D model. And after that we actually finalized the house by showcasing it to my wife, sister and mother, and they had that idea, okay, so this house after remodeling will look like this. So that entire transformation we have seen.
So we had a lot of civil work done for our apartment, right from the tiles and bathroom, everything had been changed. So Noor and his team were very supportive for this work, and then apart from civil work, obviously the interior work, whatever designs we had been giving input, they had successfully done it and then understood our requirement, what we wanted. So we are very much satisfied with the design final outcome which he had given us.
So after our interior, our work, we are very satisfied with the work, and if you want to do your interior as well, I would recommend the Grandiose to you. I recommended it to our friends and family also. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you for joining me on this brief journey through our thoughtfully designed home. We appreciate your time and hope you have found inspiration in the blend of style and functionality. Until next time, happy designing. Thank you.